In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply new text effects in Canva. So first open up your design, then click on your canvas and set its color into something dark like black so that the effects pop more. Then next in the left panel, grab text and select the heading style from the options and start adding your text. Then at the top toolbar, click on the Effects button, and here you'll see different text effect options like drop, glow, neon lights, 70s, and a lot more. So just click on any effect that you prefer to apply it instantly. After selecting an effect, customize the effect by adjusting settings like offset, blur, direction, transparency, or color, depending on the style that you selected for it to match your design. You can also combine effects with different fonts and colors to create a unique look. Make as much adjustments as needed until you get your desired design, and make sure that you preview your design, and once you're happy, click on the share or download button to save your work. And that's it. See you on the next one. Bye.